Welcome to our guide on using Spotify offline. Let's explore how you can listen to your favorite tunes anytime, anywhere. Spotify offers two main subscription plans, free and premium. Let's break down the differences to see what works for you. Downloading music for offline listening is easy. Follow these simple steps to set up your playlist. Before you start downloading, ensure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space on your device. Downloaded songs can be stored offline as long as you're connected to the internet at least once every 30 days to keep them active. Keep in mind, Spotify free users face limitations when it comes to offline listening compared to premium users. To make the most of your offline music, consider these best practices for managing your downloads effectively. Encounter any issues while trying to listen offline? Here are some common troubleshooting steps to get you back on track. Using Spotify offline enhances your listening experience, allowing you to enjoy music without interruptions or data usage. Try it out today.